Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was looking so cursed in this video, so I decided to apologize to you guys for looking so rough in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Ifeoma John and I'm back again to the next video. If it's your first time, please don't make your last by subscribing to my channel, like this video and give it a big thumbs up. Like this video, give it a big thumbs up, it's the same thing. I remember telling you guys in my previous vlog, not my last vlog, but the vlog before that I ordered like a long tripod on JUMIA because my old one was spoiled. So they cancelled the order and refunded back my money to me. So I had to order the item, place an order for the item again, and I got the item yesterday. Though I almost had problems with the item again. It was supposed to come in on Wednesday. I didn't get it on Wednesday. I didn't get it on Thursday. I didn't get it on Friday, and I was so like I was just indifferent. Like I was just so angry, and I was like, okay, if I don't get this order, I'm not going to order it till I go back to uni. Then from media I'll order it. But fortunately, I got it yesterday, and I'm so thankful I got it. And I got these items from JUMIA. I know I've said that before. And then today, I went to pick up 2 more items that I ordered. And yeah, let's unbox these items together and see what's in the remaining 2. So yeah, we have 3 boxes. And this is the first item that came. The tripod, the long one. I have this other item with this one. So making it 3 items. So yeah, let's start from the longest one, like the biggest one, down to the small ones. Yeah. I guess I'm going to unbox this on the floor because I feel more comfortable on the ground. So I've already unwrapped this tripod. Oh my god. We have this. This is the box. This is what the tripod is meant to look like inside. This is a deluxe or deluxe, whatever, lightweight video / photo tripod. And this is what we have, the tripod. And yeah, I'm trying to chip this in. Be consistent on YouTube if you're a YouTuber. I'm telling you, be consistent. When I started YouTube, I was always like that. I was like, why must I be consistent to, you know, create content? Why must I always have to be consistent? There's some people that create content and just they're already like known and everything, but guys, be consistent. You, that small YouTuber watching this video or big YouTuber watching this video, by the grace of God, be consistent. Consistency is the key in content creation, I'm telling you. The tripod inside, you have this thing inside. This, I guess this is the place for putting the phone. Oh my god, guys, I hate this thing so much. I don't know, I don't know how to explain it to you guys. I had one small tripod. Every small YouTuber is supposed to have used that tripod. If I always set a picture of the tripod in this video, and anytime I get that this particular place, it's like something, they use something gum and foam to make it. So whenever I try to put my phone, it's always pulling it out, and it spoils so fast. And I'm seeing that here, and I'm a bit disappointed, but let's not be fully disappointed. Let's set this tripod up, and then yeah, for the legs I'm just going to pull out this so it can become more longer. This is not the highest it can go. You can increase it more to be like more longer. I'll just take this floor side, pull it out again, and you're seeing how it's like. Oh my god, this tripod is a good buy. I'm not going to lie to you. My last tripod was so light that it broke off. It was so light. I bought it inside like a store here in Abia State, and it was so light. But this from JUMIA, oh my god, the quality is very strong. It's not just to come on here because I want to talk about JUMIA. Okay, if I see something that is not good, I'm going to talk about it. But this, I'm telling you the truth, this is so nice. I'm going to put the link of this tripod in the description in case you want to get this tripod for yourself. It is very strong. It is very, like, it's affordable, and yeah, I just like it. Like this, the quality is very strong. Cottage, whoa, chemo, stopping, chopper, aiming at your noggin, had to cut the audit, in the top, I had to chop it, niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep the rocket. So guys, this is what the tripod is looking like. I was having issues fixing this, that's why I paused the video, but this is what the tripod is looking like. Very quality, very strong. If you can see, I can firmly hold it. Even how it's standing on the floor, it's very like firm on the floor, and this is not how my old tripod was. I really love this by, and I'll link the tripod that I got from JUMIA. I'll link it in the description box if you want to get it. I'm very sorry if my angles keep changing in this video because I've been moving around with the new tripod. I just placed my phone on this new tripod, so I'm just trying to see how it's working. I don't like the reflection this ring light is giving on my glasses. So this is the next item from JUMIA, and guys, these people left it open. I can't believe these people. Okay, this is my mic. Oh my god. Mic. This is the mic, and I ordered 2 mics because on JUMIA they had the one that only had like 1 mic with it, but I went with this one that had 2 mics because like if I want to like do a collaboration with somebody or in school and I want to film with somebody, this would be very necessary for the second person so that you can hear the person's audio. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. This is the place, the area that you plug to your phone, while this is the mic itself. I'm just going to bring out one because I want to use it and show you guys what I'm talking about. This is the mic, and then this is the area that you plug to your phone. So I'm going to try it out. So guys, I'm testing out this mic. I hope you guys can hear me properly well, or clearly properly well, but I'm speaking jargon in this video. Yeah, I'm putting on the mic, and how you connect to this mic, I'll use this one to give an example. When you want to connect it to your phone, you plug in the first part that I showed you guys, the one with the iPhone mouth. I hope you guys can see this thing here. This thing, you just click on it or press it for a long time, and then it turns green here, and that's how you know it has connected. So yeah, my own is currently green here. I just turned it so you guys cannot see the color. So yeah, this is the mic, and yeah, I'm just going to do a voiceover for the remaining part because my battery is currently down and I need to plug in my phone. So while I plug in my phone, I'm going to record and do a voiceover so you guys can enjoy the rest of the unboxing. And yeah, I'll drop the link to all the items I got from JUMIA in the description box if you want to get any of them. And yeah. So guys, the last item that I got was a mini tripod because the tripod I currently have that is kind of medium size is too big to carry around like while vlogging when I'm walking maybe on the road or somewhere. So I really wanted something that's very comfy that can enter my bag because the other one couldn't like fit into my bag well, so I got this smaller one. You guys will see the bigger one as the video proceeds, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the unboxing. So this is a tripod I told you guys that couldn't fit into my bag, and then next we have the tripod and like the features of the tripod. You can extend it a bit longer if you don't want it to be too short, like to keep it on your table or on the floor or wherever I want to stay and film your video. And with this, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you totally enjoyed it, and comment down me like your different opinions about the video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye.